I'm Ria Kulik and I am from the Hair Bank in Manchester. Favourite part of my job is meeting so many new people all the time and just making them happy doing what I do. Signature look would probably be something quite glamorous. I swap and change all the time because I'm trying to evolve myself all the time as well. So I'll probably say my go-to sort of look is always like a really nice polished wave. If I could speak to a younger me, I would tell myself to do as much as I can, be involved as much as I can and get involved with brands like GHD.